Okay, so I need to tell you something that genuinely changed how I move through life. And honestly, when I first heard it, I kind of hated it. Because it meant everything I was doing was wrong. Here it is. The harder you try to make people like you, the less they actually do. I know. Sounds backwards, right? Stick with me. So picture this. You're talking to someone you really want to impress. Could be a girl you like. Could be a group of new people. Could be a job interview. Doesn't matter. And the whole time you're talking, you're not really there. You're in your head, running calculations. Is this landing? Do they think I'm interesting? Should I have said that differently? You're physically in the room, but mentally, you're performing a one-man show for an audience of one. Yourself. And here's the thing nobody tells you. People feel that. They can't explain it. They won't say it out loud. But something feels just slightly off. Like they're talking to a version of you instead of actually you. And that feeling? That's what kills connection before it ever gets the chance to start. So here's what I started doing differently. And it's so simple it almost feels like cheating. I stopped trying to be impressive, and I just got genuinely curious about the other person. That's it. Instead of thinking, what should I say next? I started thinking, wow, that's actually interesting, tell me more. And the entire energy of every conversation just shifted. People started leaning in, laughing more, opening up faster, wanting to keep talking. Not because I became funnier or better looking or more successful, just because I stopped performing and started actually showing up. Here's the real talk moment. Most of us were never taught this. We were taught that to be liked, you have to be impressive, funny, smart, successful, on. So we walk around exhausting ourselves trying to hit all these invisible marks. And it's draining. For you. And honestly, for the people around you too. Because nobody wants to talk to someone who's auditioning. They want to talk to someone who's real. Flaws and all. Awkward pauses and all. Uncertainty and all. That's what people connect with. So next time you're in a conversation and you feel that familiar anxiety creeping in, that okay perform now pressure, take a breath. Drop the act. Ask one genuine question and actually listen to the answer. That's the whole move. Seriously. I want to hear from you though. Drop a comment and tell me, what's one situation where you feel the most pressure to impress people? Could be dating. Could be work. Could be meeting new friends. Doesn't matter. Just tell me. Because I'm working on a video specifically about that, and I want it to actually be useful for the people watching. And if this hit home even a little bit, share it with one person who needs to hear it. Genuinely. See you in the next one.